There we go. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today our major topic is going to be centrifugation as a method of separation. And my name is Abdul Simon again. I'm a student at Makerere University. Please, before we continue, just click the subscribe button. So centrifugation is the process of separation of insoluble materials from the liquid where normal filtration does not work well. So this is a basic principle. Now we look at the process of filtration using a filter paper. You observe that you're separating solid from liquid particles. So therefore observe there are some very tiny particles that are able to escape through the pore space and can escape again with the liquid instead of being retained. So that problem has been solved by using centrifugation method as a basic method of separation. And here let's continue and see centrifugation is based on the following principles, and these are the basic principles that are followed when you carry out the centrifugation process. The first one is the size of the particles. So during centrifugation, larger particles always settle out first, then followed by the smaller one, then the shape of the particles. Angular shaped particles always settle out first, while well-rounded particles will settle out last. Then the density of the particles. Denser particles will settle out first from the liquid, while the less dense ones will remain in suspension. Then the viscosity of the medium. The more viscous is the medium of suspension, the faster is the rate of separation. Then the speed of the rotation. Then the higher is the speed of rotation, also the faster is the separation. So basically that's it, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go to the other factors. And the basic principle now, the mother principle is that this process of centrifugation bases on density of the particles. So we have, when you look at here, we have a centrifuge. This is an example. We have this inside here, this is our rotor. Then this blue tops that you're seeing here, these are known as centrifuge tubes. These are the tubes which contain equal amount of solid liquid particles which are given to all the different tubes in equal volume. And when the centrifuge tube, for example, is set to rotate at a very high speed, you observe that due to the centripetal force which are available as these tubes are rotating, because it's the rotor which is causing the tube to rotate. Because of the centrifugal force, larger particles which are denser particles settle out first out of the solution, while the less dense one will remain in suspension. So that is the basic principle of operation of a centrifuge. Then this is an example that I came across and I want to share with you. So for example, look at, this is the first tube, the same tube being rotated at high speed. Initial particles that were present, we have green, we have blue, we have black, then we have red. But now we know that, as we have seen previously, we saw that larger particles or bigger particles will always settle out first. As you can see, the green had to settle out first, was removed. Then the next is red, also settled out. It was also the next bigger particle. Then the next was blue. It also settled out. Then during rotation again, now the last to settle was black because it is the tiniest particle that is available in the mixture. So thank you so much. We have come to the end of this. Please don't forget to share and also subscribe. So please, if there is any contract that you have and you want for me to do for you something, you can just drop a comment on below this video. And if there is something that you want me to clarify on this video or any other video that I will drop in future, or you don't tell me about any topics that you want me to present for you, please don't forget to just drop a comment below this video. Thank you so much.